How to buy MLG token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going out buy this token, make sure to check the VIX account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. This token, as you can see, it's under the Solana network. Now to be able to buy this token, you have the option of Radium, as you can see, to be able to buy it from there. Now just go and click and open the Radium website. Just wait to load the page. As you can see, first of all, what you need to do, we'll just disconnect my wallets. Now first connect your wallet for that. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet for that. Now what you need to do here is just go back to the screener, copy the token address, go back and click here to add the token. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet to be able to buy this token. Now enter how much you want to buy, and this is how much you receive that token. After that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. Now if you want to buy this token on your wallet, what you need to do, just copy the token address from here, open your wallet. For example, I will use the Bybit wallet for that. Now first of all, log into your wallet. Now after that, select the Solana as a network from here. Now click on these three lines, click on this plus icon to be able to add this token to your wallet. Click on confirm. Now go back and find your token. So this is, now click on it. Now what you need to do, click on swap and it will be redirected to Bybit exchange platform to be able to buy this token. Now what you need to do here, just switch it from here and select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your Bybit wallet. Now what you need to do, just type how much you want to buy. This is how much you receive that token. Click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the MLG token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.